Pepperball Lifelite. The problem with most modern self-protection products is that their use often involves stress and puts your life at risk. For example, to actually use a pepper spray, you need to let the attacker get pretty close to you at arm's length. That's why Lifelite is so exceptional. It was developed by American company Pepperball. In case of emergency, the device will not only protect you, but it will also allow you to stay as far away from the attacker as possible. From the outside, the gadget just looks like a flashlight. And indeed, Lifelite can be used as a flashlight. However, in dangerous situations, you can press a button to shoot balls filled with pepper irritant. The shooting distance is up to 18 meters. To make it easier for you to imagine, let's say that it's about the same length as 3 SUVs, but that's not all. When hit, the projectile not only causes pain, but it also breaks, generating a toxic cloud with a diameter of 1.8 meters. This means that you don't have to actually hit the target. Even if you miss, you will still disorient them. The pepper powder is not lethal, but it causes great discomfort. Lifelite is ergonomic, compact, and it will fit in the glove compartment without causing any suspicions. The purchase will cost $300. The Defender. If you think that a pepper spray is the best weapon for self-defense, then wait until you see the first invention on our list. The Defender is also a pepper spray, but it provides a much higher level of protection. It has a built-in camera that takes a picture of the attacker's face when spraying them. At the same moment, the photo and the geolocation of the incident are sent to the police. Thanks to this, the officers will know where to go and who to look for. You also won't have to worry for your safety after spraying. A special button will trigger a loud beep as well. It will attract the attention of passers-by and scare away the attacker. Nux Keychain EDC. If you prefer something less delicate and refined, you'll surely like this stylish accessory. This is also a ring, but it doesn't have any detachable parts. The Nux Keychain EDC can be worn on any finger, and it acts as a mini brass knuckles which enhances the impact and turns your fist into a weapon. The device is small enough to lie in your pocket and won't cause any discomfort when not in use. It's also suitable for everyday wearing as an extravagant ring. An additional advantage is its extended functionality. You can open bottles with the Nux Keychain EDC. The ring weighs 56 grams and is made of super strong duralumin. The customer chooses the external design as well. It can have any color and thus reflect the individuality of its owner. You can buy it for $15. Rubber band gun. We're willing to bet that at least once in your life you hurt yourself by accident while playing with a rubber band. Well, it turns out that the dangerous property of this product can be used for the sake of your safety. Here's a toy gun that uses rubber bands instead of usual plastic bullets. This is a folding and compact toy that weighs no more than 100 grams. You can easily carry it with you as a keychain. Loading the gun is really simple too. Just pull the rubber band and fasten it to the holders. Sabre Red Mighty Discreet. We've reached today's last invention, and of course it is as useful as the previous products in our video. Mighty Discreet is a gas pepper spray from the American company Sabre Red. When developing it, the creators thought primarily about convenience. That is why Mighty Discreet is 40% smaller on average than other similar models on the market. The spray is so tiny that it can be easily hidden in your fist, and of course, it can easily fit in your pocket or a small purse too. The modest size, however, has not affected the level of protection. Mighty Discreet has a 4-meter radius and enough content for about 16 uses. All of the above makes this device one of the most convenient and effective ones existing today. The price is about $20. CRKT Tactical Pen. Appearances can be deceiving. This statement perfectly describes the next invention on our list today. Here's another device by Columbia River Knife & Tool, but this time much more subtle. It's a tactical pen that can be used to write. At the same time, it's made of durable aircraft-grade aluminium. The smart choice of material plus the sharp, elongated shape create a very dangerous combination. This means that in an emergency situation, this pen will help you protect yourself or fight off an attacker. The gadget weighs only 40 grams and it's 150 millimeters long. The price is $65. Defender Ring. It's important to understand that not all means of self-defense have a complex design and bulky dimensions. Sometimes, even a tiny weapon can save your life, and this is exactly what we're going to show you right now. The American company Defender Ring offers a variety of jewelry for self-defense. It's noteworthy that the ring is no different from any other. The secret is that the protruding piece can be unscrewed, revealing a small but very sharp blade underneath it. The manufacturer offers several different materials, from stainless steel to gold and silver. The outer tips are also interchangeable and can also have a wide variety of shapes. That is, the Defender Ring is not only a means of protection, but also a unique piece of jewelry. The price ranges from $59 to $139. Imperial White Provoke. Now let's talk about something more serious and sharp. Here is a folding knife from the Provoke series, developed by Columbia River Knife & Tool. Its surface has a snow-white coating, hence the name of the model, Imperial White. When folded, the knife is small and doesn't attract too much attention, but a button actuates a mechanism that opens the blade and puts the device in a combat position. The special shape of Provoke allows the weapon to lie comfortably and safely in the palm of your hand. The weapon is made of high carbon and high chromium D2 steel. It has excellent cutting properties and is resistant to water, dirt, chemicals, and corrosion. It's 184mm long, but when folded, it's only 125mm long, and it only weighs 173 grams. The knife costs $200.